I know I go on and on about the sweetness that is Carolyn's tea room, and here's why. Tea saplings are a fantastic way to get early game gold. The saplings themselves can be sold for 250 gold each. Now here's how to get the recipe. You're going to have to smooth talk Carolyn. That means hoarding daffodils. Giving her 2 daffodils and talking to her each day will give you access to her tea room once you reach 2 hearts. You can access the tea room through the door in her kitchen, which will trigger the cutscene. The next morning, she will send you the tea sapling recipe in the mail, which takes fiber, wood, and wild seasonal seeds that can be made from forageables. For early game gold, I always just sell the saplings outright, but you can also use them as intended. They do not need to be watered and makes a great plant to have in an indoor garden pot. They take 20 days to start producing leaves that can be put in a keg to make green tea and can even be pickled in preserve jars. Like and follow for more.